One of the most embarrassing thing is when you go to a stoplight and you can't find your neutral. I don't know if it happens to many bikes, but on the Sportster, and I think it's exclusive to Sportsters. It's like harder to get into neutral, or maybe it's just my bike, because this is a second-hand bike. Although it's a 2014, it's still a second-hand bike. Someone used it before, and I think the Harley Davidson guys customized this bike a little bit. So every time like I stop at a stop sign like this, try to get into neutral, I have a hard time getting it in the first go. Like, it's really difficult. But like, there is that like a freaking satisfaction when you get it into neutral on like the first try. I'm like, yeah! It's an amazing feeling. Like winning the Super Bowl. Or like the fantasy football. Guys, outside's getting kind of cold, I'm not gonna lie, but it's getting also beautiful at the same time. Like, these leaves are changing colors, and oh my god, it's cold. For anyone watching who's wanting to get into motorcycles, now is the time to get a motorcycle. Currently, like, motorcyclists are starting to not go on their motorcycles because of the weather. The cold's coming in. People are thinking about, you know, getting a new bike. The new releases are coming out, you know, 2017 models of, like, the Rebel just came out with the new 2017 model. It looks sick. Oh my god. They said the handling's pretty great, and it's just a better all-round version of the Honda Rebel that was out, you know, last year. I mean, I guess that's everything nowadays. Apple came out with their new Apple iPhone, and they announced it as the best iPhone ever built. And everyone was like, yeah, we expect it to be the best thing ever built because it's like the newest model. If it wasn't, we'd be shocked. I was saying, oh yeah, I buy a motorcycle. Yeah, I buy a motorcycle. Holy. Few mentionees, Honda Rebel. I know Triumph came out with a new bike, as well as Moto Guzzi. Moto Guzzi's black something bike. It looks super sick. And there's also the new Kawasaki brought out their new Ninja. I don't think Harley has anything new, so far as I know. I know there are a few more that I'm missing. But yeah, I mean, like, look out for these new bikes. They look sick. You know, like, winter sucks for riding, I'm not gonna lie. It's cold and it's nothing too bad. Like, if you have warm clothes, it's so manageable. Wow, I hate this situation. Hey, Bubba. I don't know if anyone knows for this area, but I'm in Lennox Heads. No, I am not in Lennox Heads, that's Australia. I am in Lennox area, where the Lennox shopping centre is. This is where I work, around this Tech Village area. I'm hoping it doesn't fucking rain today, because it's cold, and as I said, cold and rainy sucks donkey dick so hard. So I'm hoping for the best weather outcome possible for this afternoon. Sometimes I really envy the people who like ride around in the countryside with like all the horses and cows, and oh man, like that's kind of the dream sometimes. Like, this area sucks to be in traffic. Oh, come on Porsche, get in there, good boy. It just sucks to be around this area sometimes. Wave those hands, Wave for those hands. I'm a rich boy in a Honda, waving hands at myself. Oh, fucking Struth bucket. Good evening. Oh, first go. Fuck yeah, come on. I can talk about the bike while we're here. Let me pull it out a little bit. The bike is a 2014 Harley Davidson Iron 883. It has Vance & Hines exhausts. It used to have the Cafe Racer bra fairing, but I took that off. And I'm currently trying to make the back higher to make it a bit more cafe-y. This police guy always stops the traffic for me when I'm here. He's so nice. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh man. You know when you get the itch on your nose and you just gotta itch it? Oh man. Oh, felt so good. Oh my god. I hate traffic lights. Let's go. Dude, I love Christmas. Christmas is one of my favorite holidays. I think it is my favorite holiday. Out of like any holidays, Christmas is the bomb. Let's go! Let's go! Ah! I hate you as a driver. I hope the next invention to, like, you know, this whole experience of watching things online is for the users and the viewers to be able to experience like the actual ride, you know. I mean, that'd be kind of awful, like if you get in a crash, but like I would love for people to feel what I'm feeling currently. It's just windy and cold as fuck. Come on. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. I will stop, sir. This is a... Whoa! Whoa! That was definitely a red light. You know what we need to introduce? We need to introduce civil police officers. But only those who are on their motorcycles. Because I feel like they're more focused on riding. Dude, look at that fucking traffic. It's fucking crazy. That's the bloody traffic that you get stuck in if you want to like get out from Atlanta. Or if you're passing through Atlanta. Okay, you can go. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, good job. Bye. Alright guys. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you have a lovely evening. And good night.